I'm using Fairy Blossom from Nat's Gold Collection with Fusion Body Art, and I'm starting with a 3/4 inch angled brush, and I'm just going to put some guidelines down for symmetry. I'm laying down guidelines using the angles and focal points of the face are a really good way to keep things symmetrical if you're painting at an angle like I am, or if you haven't painted for a while, or if you're a beginner. So guidelines are your friend. From there, I'm just going to bring the color down the side of the eye, going in towards the nose. I'm not going to push the color out towards the temple of the face. I want the butterfly wings to angle in towards the eye. And the last stroke is just a little loop, and then I'm going to pull it right over her eye. And if you have a little kid who's squinting a lot, just be patient with them. Pull your brush up and say soft eyes until they relax. For the bottom wing, I'm going to start in the center of the bottom wing and just do a little petal shape going up in the middle of the cheek. I am angling it outwards as well. This color is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I would love this color just on its own, but layered with some of the other colors in Nat's collection, it's quite striking. Just going to make this petal a little bit larger to match the other side as well. So now I'm going to start to layer in Tigress, which is one of my all-time favorite split cakes. It's so gorgeous and really adds to this fall feel. So I've put a petal at the corner of her eye, and now I'm just layering up a petal shape over my first strokes of that butterfly wing. To close the bottom of the butterfly, I'm just pulling a few loops up, making sure to end at the inside corner of her eye and not to go too far on the bridge of the nose. To fill in the gaps on the top, I am using the Split Cake Foxy, which has some red in it, and doing another petal shape. But I switched back to Tigress to finish the bottom wing because I don't want the bottom wing to be too heavy. So this still keeps it light, but those rich fall colors, it's very dramatic, but soft at the same time because she's a little girl. She doesn't want anything too heavy or too dark. I'm going to grab Fairy Blossom again and do the tails of the butterfly. I think this is one of the easiest, cutest things to do. Just drag the toe and drop, and you have the perfect butterfly tail. Now I'm grabbing some Fab Gold and a unicorn sponge that I cut myself. You can check out my unicorn video if you're curious how I do this, because my sweet little model wanted a fall unicorn butterfly, so she gets what she wants because she's in charge. So I'm just going to go ahead and dab that on. And then she also wanted a jewel very badly. So we found this little crown jewel that I made forever ago. Making jewels is not my thing, but I do have a stock of some I made a long time ago. And this actually fits quite nicely and is very pretty. So now all I need to do is outline the horn so that it looks like a unicorn horn, and then I am going to outline just a few of the petal shapes on the butterfly wing just so they stand out and they don't get too lost. And a little shout out to Billy here, who was my assistant on this video and helped me get all the paint and brushes and glitter and everything I needed. I am going to go ahead and spray this down with some gold glitter, which really adds a beautiful sheen to everything. And I'm just going to add a few dots in gold on our wings. I feel like white would be too harsh, and it just doesn't need much. This is very simple, very quick for fall events, and really elegant and beautiful. Our very last step is some beautiful hot pink lipstick, and our fall unicorn butterfly is done. If you haven't already, go check out Nat's Gold Collection now with Fusion Body Art. It is a stunning collection. I have been using her collection for some time now, and they're always some of my favorite cakes. Really amazing for adult designs as well. So go check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Happy fall to everyone, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.